A new chapter begins with the completion of the Broken Bow Public Library. The $2 million library renovation and expansion project began to take shape more than 10 years ago, thanks to the vision of library staff, the board, and the foundation. Library Director Joan Burney began working at the library in 1989, and many have said that the project has been a dream of hers. That dream turned into a vision and was made a reality with the help of countless volunteers and donors. During the Donor Appreciation Open House on Friday, Foundation Vice President Bill Steffens said the project exceeded all expectations and thanked everyone who contributed.
So today we're here to celebrate all that you've created and given and accomplished. And we're here today also to celebrate the legacy that you've given this library and our community, a legacy of generosity.
Palmer Monument constructed a beautiful donor wall to commemorate those who donated their resources to the library. Without the assistance of the City of Broken Bow, donations, and grants, the project would not have been possible. The library was open to the public on Saturday morning with a ribbon cutting to celebrate the facility, which will be around for generations to come.
Well, my family and I mean, we use the library all through the summer, and we try to get to a lot of activities during the year. And my girls have grown up in the library since they were itty bitty, since they came to the lap sits, and so this has been an awesome experience for my family and for me too. So it's meant a lot.
The original 8,100 square foot structure opened in 1971. With the work of JEO Consulting, Chief Construction, local subcontractors, city officials, and city crews, 4,000 square feet have been added to provide an open concept space.
It's exciting, and I think what's been gratifying is seeing the number of people that were here last night for the donor open house and the number of people that have come out today. That makes it even more exciting and obviously is rewarding. It's fun to watch them walk in the building and see the expression on their faces and discuss with us about how unrecognizable it is.
Bernie also said the kids are the reason for this building and said she and the library staff, Megan Savoda, Kim Blackburn, Vonnie Webster, and Marilyn Driscoll, are all looking forward to hosting more youth and community activities in the multipurpose room.
I think it's great, and I like the beanbag chairs and how it's spaced out, more spaced out. It's just amazing.
In addition to the added square feet, up-to-date technology, sound systems, computer access, reading areas, and makerspace activities are available for the youngest and the oldest in our surrounding communities to enjoy. But the story will continue for the Broken Bow Public Library as services will resume on Monday, January 29th. For KCNI, KBBN in Broken Bow, I'm Emily Barnett.